Wait. The price is going high, the size is going down. The price and the size are going on opposite directions.
ABS Online Entertainment.
Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell icon.
Hello guys, welcome to my another vlog. Today I'm going to prepare a rice for lunch. It seems we already have some curry leftovers in the refrigerator, so I don't have to prepare new curry. So I'm just going to prepare rice. Many people generally ask us who cooks for you because they believe that we don't know how to cook. But when we are in the school in Kaling, we have been trained to cook for ourselves. So today I'm going to prepare rice, not for myself alone, but for the whole family. I'm going to put some rice here. Okay, this is one type of rice. We usually mix two. Another type is one type here is about to finish. Okay, now yeah, done. Okay, now I'll have to wash. Wash like this, just to make sure that all the dusts get dissolved and get washed away. Okay. I'll have to check the water level. First I have to level the rice and then see. Okay, it's going to be a little bit more. I'll have to just. So I just have to estimate the quantity of rice just below the water surface. Okay, I think this would be okay, little bit. Okay, this would be fine. Now I'll have to dry it up before I put it into the rice cooker. Here is the rice cooker. Okay, now here I have 3 electrical appliances, and here comes my wife's creativity. She's very mindful of my presence here. So she has all these 3 cables are same. So in order to help me identify which cable goes to which appliance, she has tied a different type of thread to each cable. And this is a small thread, and this goes to the smaller rice cooker there, this one. And this is tied with a wire that usually comes with the cables of electrical appliances when you buy them. So this goes to the water boiler here, and this is not even a thread, this is a piece of cloth, and this goes to the bigger rice cooker that I'm using right now. So okay, here now I'm just going to put it. Okay, so this is on, and I'll have to press it. Okay, now this is done. Okay, now the rice has been cooked. Oh, it's good. So I'll just have to loosen it up like this. This is what my late father had taught me. First we have to cut it like this and then like this. Then you start from the edge like this. What's going okay? So if we just do like this, all the vapors will be released and then the rice will become more presentable. Okay, this is done. Now I'm going to prepare an omelette for myself. So the rice and everything else has been ready. I just need to fry this. Okay. Just a simple plain omelette. I think the pot has been already hot. A little bit. Okay, this much will do. Because I'll have to place my finger here just to know the amount of oil flowing through my finger. I have washed my hands though, so it's clean. Wait, okay, I'll have to keep my. Okay, it is supposed to be here. Now I'll have to quickly wash my hands. Okay, I have to wipe my hands dry and then okay, my son cameraman has picked the salt for me a little bit. Okay, this will do. This much will do. A little small ladle. Okay, this is the small ladle. Okay. Okay, this is the egg. Oh, it has become smaller now. Then now going to the chunku jodi mewa. Wait. The price is going high. The size is going down. It is going. The price and the size are going on opposite directions. Okay, like this I have to now. Ooh. Just to make sure that it's gently handled like this. I'm going to fry it only on one side. Usually I don't like omelette fried on both sides, so I just want to keep it on one side because I love the other side softer. Okay, now it's ready to go. Ramyam kam oma homi chingin ge podam de sumsan chicken you know na sun chibo ne tenze ba zawel la mi she do chego. Okay, now my lunch is ready. Outside the plate I have dal at 9 o'clock because we usually have to use the clock positioning system if you are serving people with blindness. So this helps us identify or locate where each dish is. So outside the plate at 9 o'clock, this is my dal, and inside the plate at 9 o'clock I have a side dish. It's pumpkin shoots, the tender vine shoots of pumpkin, and at 12 o'clock I have omelette that I have just prepared. And to my 3 o'clock is another dish, is mustard plants, the tender mustard plants, which is used as a spinach. So I'm going to enjoy my lunch. I think rest of my family members are going to eat later because they have had a late breakfast, whereas I didn't have breakfast. We have been taught to eat like this when we were children in the school. First, I'll have to start with dal. Since I'm lefty, I have to shift my dal to my further 3 o'clock. Wow, nice. Let me test my omelette. See, one side is burned. I like this kind of omelette, so I just made exactly how I wanted, how I had wanted it. Oh, so delicious. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you might have enjoyed it. I've created this video just to show how we, the blind people, can also be independent at home. We know basically how to cook for ourselves, how to do household chores, and how to help our spouses at home. So once again, thank you so much, and please do not forget to like, comment and share. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell icon so that you will not miss similar updates in the future. Thank you so much.